you know, I've been out in the doors even just last night. I'm starting to get the sense people are getting a little tired maybe of the will they, won't they, and probably now is the time to give some degree of certainty to the Irish people in terms of the election date. I'll be meeting the coalition, the two coalition leaders on Monday. What I'll be saying to them is that I think we need to give clarity, and I'll be saying my preference is for a November election, for the 29th of November. I think that gives us the opportunity to get those final pieces of legislation through. We look like we'll get the maternity protection bill I've been leading to allow women with a serious illness to defer their maternity leave. I think we'll get that through next week. The hate crime legislation, which I set out as a key priority for ourselves in the Green Party, that will probably conclude next week as well through Minister McEntee's work. And then obviously we've the Finance Act. I think there's a Finance Bill. I think there's a little bit more work on that. But I think we can get those done over the next 3 weeks at this solution in early November. And my view is an election on the 29th.
Okay.
Get it out of the way
you
before
have 12
Christmas.